Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. So firstly we need to check for updates. To do this, open VIVO Earphones application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we have earphone firmware upgrade. Firmware the same as software, so you need to tap at this line. It checked for updates and it said that I have the latest version. If you haven't, you will see a button download and install, and tap at this button. Now, if it didn't help you, or maybe you haven't new software version like me, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put both of your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold at the touch area, spot located at the back side of each earbud, until the LED lights start blinking orange. But I recommend to close the charging case and then open it, and now press and hold at the touch areas. Now, if after 5 seconds the LED light on the front side not blinking white, it means that you doing something wrong, so you need to repeat. And now we have orange LED light, so you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. To do this, you need to open settings and then go to connected devices or Bluetooth. Now, at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device. Of course, if your phone have this line, because not all Android phones have this button, so I need to tap on it. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we don't need to enter pairing mode manually. We just tap at the earbuds at the device list, and then click pair. Now check if it didn't help you. The last one, I recommended to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now fully charge your earbuds, and after that check it. You can check using settings. I'm not sure that it's available for all Android devices, I mean the battery level for the left and right earbuds, but on mine I have this information. But also you can use an application, and right here you can check it. And if it the same, amazing. If it do not the same, I recommend to contact customer service. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!